Hey guys, Angel at GetBetterAmerica.com looking for ways to help you get better. Wanted to do a real quick breakfast version of the plate partitioning, if you would, method that I used to eat now that I got from awesome guy named Jeff Cavalier at Athlete X. And again, half protein, 1/4 fibers carbohydrate. In this case, I did some sauteed 3-pepper blend. Those are quickly prepared in just a few minutes with some avocado oil so that it doesn't smoke the house too much. And then a couple of waffles right here for my starchy carbohydrate. Now, this comes out to about 30 grams of carbohydrate, which is just fine for a meal. However, for a pre-athletic meal, meaning you're going to work out within a few hours of eating your meal, you could actually go double on your carbohydrates, starchy carbohydrates, and in this case, all those potatoes would take up those extra, would give me those carbohydrates that I need. Now, in this specific occasion, these eggs and potatoes were actually prepared by another family member, and I took advantage of just eating in the morning, and they said, you know, that was fine. But basically, they used the whole egg. I usually use 2/3 egg white or 3/4 egg white and just a little bit of yolk. So usually I crack open 6 eggs. I use 2 whole eggs, and then the other ones are egg whites, and that gives me an extremely good protein blend that's almost 100% totally lean. And yeah, and I mean, you have your different starchy carbohydrate options, but potatoes and waffles are extremely popular and very good ones that are perfectly fine. Some multivitamins, these right here, these are little coffee shots that basically cost about 10 cents each. And one of these is the equivalent of half a cup of coffee. So I usually take one before breakfast, one after breakfast. They're designed to add to your coffee, but I just drink them just straight up because they don't taste that bad. And it's just very convenient, very easy, very quick, very cheap. So I do hope that makes sense, guys. But again, yeah, half protein, 1/4 starchy carb, and 1/4 fibers carbohydrates. For more information, check out the other videos on my channel. Email is getbetter@getbetteramerica.com. Excuse me. Thank you for watching. To your health, and until next time.